Your Holiness, I am First Nations. I am from the Tsimshian Nation and the village of Lakwlamps. My question for you, Your Holiness, is what is the importance of learning culture and language within the school system in terms of educating our hearts?
Now that, I think difficult question for me, difficult question. The culture, different community, sometimes the culture, the nature of culture itself make differences. So some community, some sort of culture, because of the, again, you see, due to environment, different way of life. Through that way, different culture develop. So, what kind of culture? That also, I think, some point relevance. Then language, of course, here, perhaps I think, because of the, my view, maybe say a little bit sort of because of the disagreeable with you, I think. Sometimes I feel on this planet, 7 billion human beings, I think so many different language. And firstly, these major language, English, Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, or these, I think too many language, or Spanish, Italian, so I think waste of time. So eventually, I always think humanity. I myself used to come here. Mainly, I'm a human being. Meeting with you, human being. We have different culture, different races, different country. But basically, I think oneness of humanity on the level of human being, we are saying. Emphasis Canadian, of course, I'm honorary citizen of Canada. So a little closer. So you see the different nation. So therefore, and whether we like it or not, future of humanity, we have to think about oneness of entire sentient, entire human being. Then real world peace come. Real happy humanity can develop. Too much emphasis, my nation, my religion, my race, is in a way the source of division. If I come here, I'm Buddhist. Too much emphasis, I'm Buddhist. Then that automatically distance from you. Barrier. Then I often is telling people, if I consider I'm His Holiness Dalai Lama, foolish. Then I feel I'm something special. I cannot interact easily. No use. Result, I myself create my own prison. I'm Dalai Lama. On this planet, one Dalai Lama. So I'm just a single person in the prison of Dalai Lama institution. What use? Think more on the fundamental level. I'm a human being. There are no differences, no problem, no barrier. When I meet Westerners, or Northerners, or Southerners, or Asians, no differences. I really feel that's we really need. Warm-heartedness, education about heart, very much related with sense of oneness of humanity. Our compassion, not our family member, not our own community, but entire 7 billion human beings. Oh, other people also, you see, feel hot, isn't it? So I think air condition, I think a little bit sort of cooler may be better. That's everybody's interest, not only me. 가. 반드시 살아든 것도 가. 그래.
Is there heating going on? I mean, is there heating?
So that's my view. And also, you see, under present circumstances, each community's your own culture. It's really worthwhile to preserve. We also, you see, carrying our effort for preservation of Tibetan culture, Tibetan language. It's helpful in order to develop, fully your own community. So we also human beings. We also have the right. So you are feeling importance of your own language, your own culture. It's really worthwhile. It's good. But long run, I think we really need a sense of oneness of humanity. Like that. So for the time being, I fully committed preservation of Tibetan culture or Tibetan language. Eventually, perhaps next century, 22nd century, maybe one language, world language. And then I have no sort of regret. We will join. Forget Tibetan language. Okay, no problem. Then also, I think time come, your language, then not much importance. Yes, next question.
Thank you, Your Holiness.